What's up everyone, it's your girl Tasia Monet, and of course I am back with another video. So today I will be taking you guys along with me to get my first lace front wig installed. It's gonna be so freaking dope. Well, it's a closure, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's gonna be so dope. And yeah, hopefully I just look so good in it, because I've been looking like this for a month now. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this video.
You so pretty.
Put it down. First time, y'all. Let's see how this go.
Remember that school she always be just making the videos?
Yes, I'm so mad. They had stopped me from doing that.
They did?
Yeah.
Who? The principal or?
All of them. Everybody.
Oh,
so what you doing right now?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Trying to put the hat in. Let's see if this is dry. You think it'll be longer? Well, yeah. Body wave. But if I fly down the straight, it will. Yeah, it will. Because it's body wave, so.
I feel like in my flight seat, they like.
I'm trying to see how far it goes. Wow.
So how you been doing quarantine? Ciao.
Doing stuff I ain't got no business doing. Now let me stop. No, you see what I'm doing?
Right.
Right here.
I had broke my mask just in case. You say like, you can't come in here. That's what they did in Walmart. I'm like, what?
Oh yeah, Walmart not playing no games.
Not at all.
feel like, dang, you like a brand new person.
After a month.
You said after a month?
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Y'all like it?
Man, he called. I don't like it.
It's really dark. I'm gonna show y'all later.